Yeah, here's a typical beach day in Italy. 3 clowns running around in a perfect line, followed by a green alien trying to learn their language. Makes sense, doesn't it? Ciao everybody and welcome. Today I have something different for you. We're going to check out a video game called Earthlingo that is apparently designed to help you learn languages. Earthlingo was designed by Raymond Corrigan and you can find it for free on Steam. You'll find the link in the description. According to its Steam page, Earthlingo is a vocabulary learning game where you play as an alien trying to learn an Earth language. And yeah, you don't have Italian in this list yet, but it's been added recently. Think of Earthlingo as an interactive picture dictionary with built-in revision. The game word lets you associate each word with a location, improving recall. Okay, cool, seems fun. Let's go and check it out. If this is the first time you watch a video from Lingua Franca, welcome. My name is Mattia, I teach Italian and English, and every week I upload a new video on this channel talking about Italian learning and language learning in general. So if you're interested in these topics, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell, not to lose any future videos. But now it's time to check out Earthlingo. Alright, so we have the splash page here, where you have our little alien friend looking at Earth from above. Let's dive right into a new game. I speak English, let's say, and I'm learning Italian. As you can see, you can learn a bunch of languages with this video game. And let's start from the tutorial. Alright, here we are. So try clicking on the cinema in front of you.
Il cinema.
Okay, nice. So you can click on objects, look at the vocabulary box below, it translates the word, press the plus button and to add the word to your list. Cool, so I can add word to a list. Nice. Okay, so I've been trying a few things here and apparently you can go around and click on stuff to have the game pronounce what that thing is in Italian. And after a while you can do a test which will help you to check out if you actually learned those words. Oh, come on, look at him, he's adorable. Or she's adorable? It's adorable? Not sure about that. Alright, enough with the tutorial, let's go to our first level, which is the same word. Alright, so let's go around and... Ooh, you can jump? Wait. You can double jump. Okay, I'm starting to like this game. Hello. Hello, what you guys doing? We have apparently like 3 clowns, but one of them is much smaller. And following right behind, 3 other clowns. Again, one of them much smaller. Okay, cool. Who are they?
La donna.
La donna. Okay, cool. And you?
L'uomo.
Oh, alright, yeah. Yeah, that's what you see in Italy every day. Just 3 men and 3 women running around in a perfect line. Can I follow you guys? Will you help me learn Italian? Yeah, here's a typical beach day in Italy. 3 clowns running around in a perfect line, followed by a green alien trying to learn their language. Makes sense, doesn't it? Enough with this tomfoolery, let's actually go around learning the language.
La strada.
So you can click on a lot of stuff. Apparently the game has more than 1,000 words.
Il lavoratore.
Alright, the worker. Who do we have here? Okay.
Il poliziotto.
Yeah, il poliziotto, the policeman, just running around pointing an orange gun to apparently the worker? Wait, sir, officer, wait, please, wait, sorry, got a question. Would you mind not pointing the gun towards me? Right, he has places to be. Can I play basketball?
Il campo da basket.
Yeah.
Il pallone da basket.
No, seriously? No hoop? Okay.
Il garage.
Yeah, no, apparently you don't need the hoops. You just need the ball
Il pallone. Il campo da
and the
basket.
court. Oh, hello there. Oh, he has a crossbow. Alright, this might seem strange to you, but policemen don't actually have crossbows in Italy. Okay, enough with this level. Let's go check out the other ones. Okay, so you've got a bunch of levels. Oh, including Area 51. But let's start with work. Okay, this is how you work.
Il distributore
With a
automatico.
vending machine, the most important part of your office. Alright, is there someone actually working here? Hello, where's everybody? Nobody's around. And just a bunch of cash lying on the table. Yeah, makes total sense.
La chiave. I soldi.
Yeah, give me soldi. Nothing to see here. Leave the alien some space, please.
L'orinatoio.
Yeah, my little friend, that's a bit high for you, isn't it? Wait, can I...
La pastiglia
Oh.
deodorante per orinatori.
Okay, you got the urinal cake too. That's definitely a word that you need to know in Italian.
Il gabinetto pubblico.
Right, but you don't have the
Il
paper,
gabinetto pubblico.
which is la carta igienica, by the way. Yeah, most important room in the office. Just two chairs looking at the wall. Okay, so after a thorough tour into the office, I'm pretty sure that nobody actually works here. So let's move on and let's go check out the countryside. All right. Oh, this is nice. And you have actual people working here, you see? So we got a horse, followed by a chicken.
Il gallo.
Oh, it's a rooster, sorry. Right, not a chicken. Oh, goat too.
La capra.
La capra. Yeah, you've lost control of the situation, haven't you? But can I get on the horse? Can I ride it? Come here. Okay, yeah. Not very useful for learning a language, is it? But let's move on. So, okay, you run around, you click on stuff gets highlighted,
La strada sterrata.
and it tells you what the name in Italian is.
Il gabinetto esterno.
The outhouse. I love how all animals are just in a frenzy running around, but all humans are just standing there, probably asking themselves why there's a little alien running around their farm, I guess. Hello, Orsi. Okay, let's head to our next level. Oh, by the way, the game is totally free as I've said, but if you like it, consider checking out the Patreon from the developer where you can help him further improve the game. Right, let's go on to sport.
La pista. Il monster truck.
Il monster truck, yeah, we don't really have a word for that. Oh no, please spare me. Okay, let's add a few words.
Il camion da corsa. Il pilota. La pista. Il carrello della spesa. Il quad. Il monster truck. Il cielo.
Okay, let's take a test. Alright, so I've got a few words saved in my list. I can choose how many words I want to be tested on and decide between a find test and a spell test, random or targeted. Let's try a find test.
La moto.
Okay, so it tells me a word and I probably have to go there and select it. Oh yes, that was
Il
correct.
carrello della spesa.
Carrello della spesa. Oh yeah, I do remember this one. Yeah, it's not really
La pista.
un carrello della spesa, which would be a grocery cart. La pista. This one. Yeah, it's almost like I know Italian, isn't it? The sky. Yeah, now the sky is green. Okay, so test complete. Sport words mastered 0. Oh, right, yeah, before it told me that to actually master a word you have to recognize it 5 times. So in this level I still have 40 undiscovered words and something else, not really sure what this means. I've got coins too. Wonder what I can buy with these coins. Oh, I need to pick them up. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. But let's now move on to the level that you were all waiting for, Area 51. Right, here we are. Can I ninja run and raid it? Very low effort security. Yup.
Il serbatoio.
Il serbatoio is actually wrong. That would be a carro armato. Oh yeah, because tank also means serbatoio. Yeah, so apparently there's a few problems with words. Yeah, but there should be somewhere a way to actually help the developer, telling him that some words are wrong. Wait! Bring me home, I don't like Italian, please. Oh, it doesn't tell me what that is, but I should know, I'm an alien. That's a UFO. Flying saucer. How come I don't know the name of what probably brought me here? Also, people in Area 51 are very chill about having an alien running around.
L'artificiere.
Ooh, okay, so this is a bomb? Wait.
La scatola delle
Oh
munizioni.
no, okay, so they're trying to defuse an ammo box? Right, he's just there, T-posing. Yeah, all medics just stand there T-posing.
L'alieno.
Oh wait, there's another one of me. Hello. Did they capture you? Right, so here we have a bunch of weapons
Il fucile da
just
cecchino.
lying here on the tables, right across the room from a dangerous alien sleeping on a bunk bed. Okay. Excuse me, apparently we're the only two aliens on planet Earth. Would you at least talk to me? Excuse me? Excuse me? No? Okay, okay. Pretend like you didn't see me and hear me. Rude. Alright, so this was our first view of Earthlingo, a free game that helps you learn mostly vocabulary in a bunch of different languages, including Italian. If you like this video, just let me know in a comment and I'll make other videos about Earthlingo, digging deeper into this curious little game. That's all for today, thank you for watching, remember to like and subscribe the video and I'll see you in the next one. Buon italiano a tutti!